In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to create this color changing text effect in Premiere Pro. First of all, I'm going to create a text. After creating and aligning the text, you're going to head over to Effects and then search for Color Balance HSL and then click and drag the effect onto the text style. And next you're going to search for the 4 color gradient effect and then click and drag it onto the text style. And then head over to Effect Controls. Within Effect Controls, you're going to place the color balance effect above the 4 color gradients. Click on the 4 color gradients and then in the preview you are going to get these 4 points. All you need to do is to click and drag these 4 points onto the text and try to make sure they are evenly spaced. And then head over to Effect Controls, set color 1 to red, and then you are going to make color 2 orange, set color 3 to yellow, and color 4 blue. And then head over to color balance and make sure your playhead is at the beginning of the clip, and then add a keyframe to hue. And then move a few frames forward depending on how long you want the effects to last or how fast you want the colors to change. So I'm going to move the playhead forward a bit and then increase the hue value depending on how fast you want the colors to change. If you find this video helpful, be sure to give it a like and do want to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.